The Canny edge detection is a edge detection operator that uses a multi-stage algorithm to detect a wide range of edges in images. It was developed by John F. Canny in 1986. That's why the name called Canny edge detection. The different stages of Canny algorithms are given below. Number 1, noise reduction. Because edge detection is sensitive in image noise, the first step is to remove the noise. For this, we will use a Gaussian filter that is inbuilt method in OpenCV. Next, finding the image intensity gradient. The smoothness image is then filtered in both the horizontal and vertical direction. Here they are given what will be internally done by here. For no worry, in OpenCV there are methods to do this. Okay, so next step is non-maximum suppression. After obtaining the gradient magnitude and direction, the image is fully scanned to remove any unwanted pixel that do not form the edges. Okay, for next, hysteresis threshold. So we have to find the hysteresis threshold. That is to filterize the detection of the edges by suppressing all the other edges that are weak or not connected to strong edge. So this is the overview that what are the steps that are involved in Canny edge detection. So let's come on code. Explaining the code, we have to first import the OpenCV module. Here it is written import CV2. The very first step is to scan the image. It means loading the image. For that we will use .imgread method. The first argument will be the source file and the second argument here is .imread unchanged. Here the original image will be read without any changing. Now we have to show the original image. For that the method called ImShowImage. Okay, it will display the inputted image. It as simple as that. I am using Google Colab. So here one thing to remember that cv2.imShow method will not work in Google Colab. Here we have to do from google.colab.patches import cv2 underscore imshow. Now to read the image we will use cv2 underscore imshow image. It will work same as like cv2.imshow method. Okay. So next step is to convert the original image into grayscale. For that I have used dot CVT color method. It will convert into grayscale. This is showing like this. Okay. Next we have to remove all the noises. For that Gaussian filter method is to be used. So cv2.gaussian blur method is used here and the converted image it means without noise image is stored in this variable. Now show that image. Here you can see the image look like this. So now the next step is to calculate the lower threshold and upper threshold. For that I have used a max and min function you can see here and stored in a respective variable. Now to apply all the four algorithms for Canny edge detection in OpenCV library, there is a benefit of that. Only one method we have to use. That is, you can see cv2.canny. It will do all the things internally. Here the first argument will be the filtered image and the next one will be the minimum threshold and maximum threshold. Manually I have done +50 to get a better response and better output. So you can also do that. It's your call. Now To show the output, we have to use cv2 underscore image show method and passes this variable in it. You can see all the noises are removed and we got our output. Okay, let's show this in practical way. Let's move to Google Colab. Now I came to my Google Colab. You can see that Canny edge detection. So first step is to import the libraries, that is cv2 and numpy. Let's do it anyway. Okay, it's done. Now we have to do the pre-processing steps. Let's run. It is taking a while. Okay, all fine. Now the step is syntax of cv2.canny methods. Okay, here you can see that threshold, calculating threshold and calculating the our final output. So it's work fine. Now we have to get our output by running this. Wait for a while. Okay, you can see that this is our original image and this is our converted image by Gaussian filter. You can see grayscale type. Now this is our final image. You can see that there are noises there and some of them are removed. So this is our final output. I can give you one more example. So by changing the source file, wait. Now I have changed the source file, that is source to source1.jpg. Now you can see the output. This is the original image and the converted image into Gaussian blur. Now the final output, that is this Canny image. You can see here. This is our final output. So thank you.